Hey everyone, it's Kylie. It's been a long time since I've done a video and I'm sorry about that. But I'm back today with a haul video and I have done a few swaps with a couple shops. So I'm going to get right into it so it won't be too long. So the first shop I swapped with was Stationery Heaven. Now her stickers are little character stickers and they are adorable. I'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. So it came with a ton of freebies. The first freebie was this one, which was a collab with Whimsicalcatstudio. And they're both hand-drawn shops. So here it is here. It's a pretty big freebie too. It's almost the size of our sheets, or yeah, pretty close to it actually. So there's the first freebie. Then the package came all like nice and tied up, but I opened it up. And on the little ribbon part, it came with this little die cut that says my name. It's super cute. And I think her characters are called Lillian. I'm pretty sure. So then there was this freebie. I didn't open it yet, so I'll open it now. I wanted to kind of keep it together. So in this little pack of freebies, there are 2 die cuts. One is this little Lillian with a teddy bear outfit on. And then this one, which is so cute, I love this. It has Lillian with a unicorn outfit and a little unicorn. I think that's so cute. So then, still a couple more freebies. There's the, kind of like the bear sampler, I guess. It just has the teddy bear and Lillian with the teddy bear and the full box. And then there's the unicorn one, which has the unicorn and the full box with the unicorn. And super cute. Then last freebie is this one. Now this is a collab with Tamashi Prince. So this must be her character here. And they both have like the little head like costume thing on them. And again, it has my name, which I thought that was really cute. So very customized. So she gives a lot of samplers. Then it comes in this super cute packaging. It says thank you, enjoy your stickers. And it's so nice. It keeps the package really, you know, safe and sturdy. So let's get into this. There's a lot. We did a swap and she included a ton of extra sheets as well, as you can see. So I definitely have a good collection starting. So the first one is just Happy Lillian. Then there's Lillian on the computer. Crafting one. Like a shopping one. Groceries. The unicorn, I don't know the unicorn's name, but really cute. The shopping, like grocery shopping unicorn. Lillian cleaning and doing chores. Planning time Lillian. There's the Happy Mail Lillian. It says just at the bottom here too what they are, so at least I know. There's the camera Lillian. And I like how she includes these little like extra cameras at the bottom. I really like the style of drawing she did there. These male ones, I think these are adorable. Some of the unicorn working out. I really like how it's a lot of pastel colors, so you can pull it into a lot of like spring kits. So then we have the cleaning ones with the unicorn. This one's also like a planning one, planning / crafting, I guess, with Lillian. There's these little hamster ones with Happy Mail. I guess this is like a little bunny just peeking out, and it's like an emotions sheet. There's Lillian in a panda outfit, and it's like an Instagram. That's really nice to mark when I post and stuff. There's Lillian, like kind of like a peekaboo kind of sheet where she's like poking out the side with her little panda outfit. Panda Happy Mail, that's really cute. The unicorn, like planning. I like this one. It's like the open planner, almost like TN. It's really pretty. A little teddy bear with bows. Lillian and the unicorn together. And it's just a planning one as well. Lillian, or not Lillian, the unicorn on a little bow paperclip. A little panda with washi tape. These little corgis, which are so cute, and they're just like sleep in, not today, nap all day, you know, like lazy ones. And then the last sheet is just a peekaboo bear Lillians. So that's everything from Stationery Heaven. She included a lot of stuff. I was really happy about that. The next one, continuing on character kind of stickers, is the Whimsical Cat. I saw her on Instagram and I fell in love with her stickers. Her characters are so cute. Their style is just gorgeous. So I'll get into it. So it comes all wrapped up really nice, but I opened that up already. And I kept the envelope it comes in because it's so adorable. I think it's such like a sweet touch. It's really nice with cardstock. So then it comes with the stickers in this sheet of like paper to protect it. And it just has like your name written there. So it's written by her. And it just says thank you for your order. Review on Etsy. And it's just super cute. Her style, I love it. Good branding. So again, character stickers. I've really been into character stickers. I think they are stunning. So the first one is, I wasn't really into getting them like looking exactly like me. It didn't really bother me. So I got this girl on the laptop with blue hair, and I think it's so cute. Like, I love the blue hair, and I love the way her hair goes back. It's really nice. Then there's this one with pink hair, and she's watering the garden. So I think this will be nice for spring and summer. I don't really have many gardening stickers except for the ones from my shop. Then I have these ones, little girl with black hair, and she's just having breakfast. I figured for brunch, I only have a couple stickers of that as well. This one I love. It's a YouTube one, and her hair is so pretty. Like, it's curly and it's pink and it's just gorgeous. Then we have a black haired one, and she's planning and like packaging and stuff. Then we have this one with black hair, and she's doing groceries. Then this one I thought was perfect. It's a little like Etsy sticker, so it could be used for shopping. I kind of see it as, you know, working on my Etsy shop, but you can use it for whatever. And she has cute pink hair. These ones with the buns are literally me. I wear a bun in my hair every day. So this was adorable. I love this. The little cameras are so cute. The pink hair is perfect. I love it. Then we have the black hair, and she's cooking. This one's so cute. She just looks really into her dinner. And then again, a nice blue hair one. This is the last one, and she's planning. So that's everything from the Whimsical Cat. I love her stickers. I'm so happy she decided to swap with me. The next one is, we're kind of moving on to kits now. So the next one is ParasolPaper Co. All of her kits are hand-drawn. I watched she had a live like Instagram like story just recently, and she was showing her like technique of drawing and everything, and she doesn't even do it digitally. She does hers all like on paper, and then like has a professional scanner and everything. So I thought that was really neat. So it comes with this freebie, very large freebie, and it's a premium matte, I would say. The other ones are both matte. I'd say just standard matte. This is more of a premium. So this is the freebie, and then I got the kit. This is the Love Blossom kit, and I got this one on glossy. This is all hand drawn by her, and it is stunning. Like, I love this. So I definitely plan on using it in February, just for like Valentine's Day kind of kits. So these are the full boxes. Then there's the heart checklists, and they're not ombre heart checklists. They have like the background pattern, which is really pretty. Then there's the headers and little things, which I like her text. It's very clear and simple. I don't like too like fancy of texts for the headers. It's too hard to read, I find. And then there's just a good amount of little things. I don't use them too much, so I like just a few. Then there's the half boxes, sidebar stickers, tons of appointment labels, which is nice, 2 habit trackers, and she fit a couple of mini like heart checklists here. Then there's the washi sheet. So it comes with just a little bit of pattern washi, bottom washi, and a couple of like character stickers and a little bit of deco, which is really nice. And then the final sheet has your weekend banner, large page flags and small, tons of icons, which is really nice. Small heart checklists, bigger flags. This was probably for the 2018 neutral, and then some deco. So that's everything for this kit. And again, that was Love Blossom. Then the next kit from her is her Paris Je T'aime collection. So this is a French Parisian theme. And I decided to get this kit because I went on a Europe trip when I was in high school, and that's when I started talking to my boyfriend, and we actually went to Paris. So I figured it would be nice for our anniversary in April. And this is all, again, hand done by her, so you won't find it anywhere else but her shop. So it's very, very nice. It's all like watercolor kind of theme. And then we have the heart checklists, the headers and little things. And I like the colors because they're very different. Everyone does like the pinks and the blues and the purples, but it's very unique. Then we have the half boxes, sidebar stickers, and appointment labels. We have washi and bottom washi. And this format's a little bit different than the other one, I think because this one was on final sale and it was an older format. And then we have the last page, which has your weekend banner, some deco, which this light is gorgeous, some flags, tons of icons, and your sidebar stickers again. So that's everything from ParasolPaper Co. Then the last shop I went with was SadiesStickers, and I swapped with her as well. And in her shop, she has these washi tapes. So I decided to pick these up. I haven't opened them up yet, but the first one is this gorgeous like bow washi. It's very, very pretty. And it comes with her little logo on it and everything. The next one is, focus, this nice marble washi. I figured it was something simple I could pull into most kits. And then this one is this gorgeous glitter and heart kind of foiled washi. So I figured it'd be perfect for nice Valentine kits. So I picked up those three. And this one's a little bit bigger. This one here is a little bit bigger than the other ones. And then moving on to kits, the first kit I got was her Celestial kit. And this is on a premium matte paper. I'll zoom out a little bit for this one. So I got her glitter headers to go with it. And those are really nice. And then this is like the popular TWG Designs digital paper. And I thought she did a really good job putting this together. So here's the full boxes. Then you get a couple of little things, bottom washi and some deco. You get sidebar stickers, heart checklists, flags, some like horizontal flags, which is interesting. Checklists, icons, paydays, $2 Tuesdays, flags, a couple other little things. And then the last sheet is this kind of like a functional sheet. You have some weekend banner, bill due, habit trackers, sorry, half boxes and headers. So that's the Celestial kit. And then the last kit I got from her, she included some freebies in this one. So, if I can get it open. So this is a little sticker that has her logo on it. I think that dog is so cute. So there's that. And then this little freebie, which is just like a multicolor freebie, so it's good to add into your collection. Then I got the glitter headers as well. These are really nice and neutral. And then this kit I fell in love with. So this is my first photo kit I've ever purchased or will be using. I definitely want to use this in February because it's so like dainty and pretty. So these are the full boxes. And the full box here says, do small things with great love, which I think is really pretty. And this heart of flowers is so cute. So that's the full boxes. Then this sheet again has your sidebar stickers, page flags, heart checklists, icons, and a couple extra things. And then grab it. This sheet has your washi tape, quarter boxes, half boxes, some headers, weekend banner, a couple functional items. And then this sheet has your little things, bottom washi, heart checklist, and some appointment labels. So So that's everything for this haul. I'm not sure if I'm going to have other things coming in that I will include. If not, this will be the end. Let me organize this kind of cute. So I hope you enjoyed, and I do plan on coming out with more regular plan with me's. I've just been super, super busy with the new house and everything, so I do plan on getting that in the works for you guys, and coming out with more hauls. There's been a ton of great shops I've been finding on Instagram, so I've definitely been keeping my eye out for those. Let's see if I can set this all up in here. Perfect. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.